So apologies for the voiceover on this video, but the audio on my camera seems to be completely broken. So rather than waste this recording, I thought I would just do a voiceover. And I'm going to run through everything that I got in March, thrifted, and then I will also be doing like cutaways of me styling everything. So yeah, I decided to use this video rather than, I don't know, try and film on my phone. So I hope that's okay with everyone. So all of these pieces I thrifted in March in charity shops or vintage and online, and we'll just go through one by one. So the first thing I'm going to show you is this skirt that I got, and it's like a beige skirt with this kind of pink embroidered floral detail. I've just washed it, so that's why it's kind of crinkled, but I really like the detail on this. It's kind of like a midi length. And I can see this being really nice in summer with like chunky sandals or like little pumps or something. So yeah, I'll show you how I've styled this. Next up is probably one of my favorite pieces that I found. It's this navy polka dot kind of suit jacket, and it's got lots of this ruffle detail down at the end. I got this in a charity shop and it was super inexpensive, and I wasn't really sure until I tried it on, but it sits really nice on my waist, and it's really sweet, and I've just styled it up with the skirt I've just shown you, and I think it makes a really cute outfit. So I was really happy with this piece. Navy sometimes I find a hard color to style, but yeah, I'm gonna find ways of incorporating this into my wardrobe. Okay, next I have this sequin kind of blazer with shoulder pads. This was also a charity shop find, and I love when sequins are kind of laid flat the way these sequins are. I really like how the light hits that, and I'm gonna try and style them up kind of casually, maybe with some jeans, and see how that looks. I can also imagine wearing it with like kind of more flared suit trousers for kind of like an evening look. But again, yeah, you can see how those sequins sparkle when they're flat, and I'm really happy with that piece. Next up, I have this blouse that has this great ruffle along the collar and down, and then again on the cuffs. I tried this on in the charity shop open, and I thought it was so sweet. Looking back on the styling video I made, I think I don't like how the collar sits closed, but I think there's going to be lots of ways to style this. Right, next up I have this kind of lavender crocheted top with short sleeves. I tried a few ways of styling this and I was happy enough with the look, but I have to say honestly, I don't like how it fits me. It's kind of tight on my arms and that's not the look I was going for. So I think I might consider adding this piece to my Depop, because someone else might get better wear from it. But I really like the idea of it, and I did try, and maybe I'll find some way to style it, but yeah, not my best find. Next is this really delicate top from Karen Millen. It's got all this crystal detail, like little beads on it, and it reminds me of like a spider web or something. And it's quite unusual the way it sits, but I had a skirt that's like a brown crocheted skirt with beading at the end, and I really wanted to see how it would look with that, and I'm quite happy with how the look turned out. Yeah, I think this is a really delicate piece. I hand washed it after, and I'm sure I'll find lots of ways to style it up. Next, I have this beaded sequin dress that I got in a charity shop for a bargain price. I gave it a good hand wash and it was kind of ready to go. So the way I want to style this is kind of more like for a festival. So I can imagine styling it with a chunky belt, maybe some knee-high boots, a cute little beret, and like maybe some yellow sunglasses I think will be cool. Yeah, I definitely recommend something like this for your wardrobe, because there's so many ways to style it up. Next up is this ruffle kind of Bridal dress that is from H&M. Now yellow is not really a colour I gravitate towards, but I did find a really fun way to style this and I'm really excited about it for the summer. It's a nice colour to have in my wardrobe because most of my wardrobe is pink, So yeah, I'm excited to show you how I styled that up. Then I have this pair of like bridal kind of wedding shoes that I got for like €3, and I've just styled them with socks, and then with this like plaid shirt that's also thrifted, and I just like the idea of being able to kind of add that extra kind of dressy level to an outfit, and they're actually really comfy. So yeah, I really love these. Yeah, and I think I'm gonna get a good bit of wear out of these. So that's it for today's video. I hope you liked all the bits that I thrifted. Apologize for the sound. I really don't know what I'm going to do about my camera, and we're just going to have to see going forward how I can make this work. But yeah, I'm going to start doing some shorts on my YouTube showing or going through all the items that I've styled with these pieces. So subscribe if you'd like to see more content like that, and also I do my studio vlogs for my small business. So yeah, I hope you enjoyed, and I will catch you guys soon in the next one. Okay, bye.